Hey there, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter at the AmerCat, Instagram at Amy D Harber, or YouTube /AmerCat. This is the February Ipsy glambag hashtag feel the love. Yes, feel the love. That warm fuzzy feeling you get from being in love. Feel it every day in the littlest things, from pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee. Every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. Let's love on some of these products. So Ipsy, February, glam bag, feel the love. All wonderful products on this card. I love this bag. It's like soft and velvety. It's so adorable. So adorbs. So first we have IBY Beauty. It's highlighter in Prosecco, but we're going to wait to test it out because we have TheBalm Girl Powder Autobalm in Houston. We have a problem. This is adorable. I'm so funny. It's a matte finish blush. Got my little blush brush here. Get those little apples. Boom. Then we take the IBY Beauty. And a little highlighter on the nose. There we go. Beautiful. And we've got Merci Handy. It's hand cream. It's Hello Sunshine. Oh, I always do this. Can't smell it because it's got the seal. I do this all the time. Unbelievable. I do this all the time. Anyway, it is a hand cream to, you know, help your hands recover. I got it in February where it was still cold and I probably could have used it. But hey, it happens. Then we have Pretty Woman nail polish in X's and O's. If I was getting my nails done right now, if I was able to, but we're all in that quarantine life, nail salons are not open. This would be a fun purplish pink color. Nice berry shade. These, I will admit, are press-ons, so I can't paint over them. Then we have Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner, and look at it, it's so cute. It's a little kitty cat, which you can't see, but I've got a little black kitty. Oh, wait. Right over there. Oh, she's sleeping. But yeah, it's a little black kitty cat. Anyway, that is the adorable Ipsy February glam bag. It's so soft, I almost want to use it as a pillow. Follow me, subscribe. Until next time, stay beautiful.